innings, and it was to see Indian captain Virat Kohli come in. Virat, obviously there'd be great disappointment in losing the series in straight games, but sometimes you just have to acknowledge the opposition, and they've been near perfect with bat in hand, haven't they?
Yeah, that's right. Completely outplayed. I think with the ball we were not that effective. We just didn't hit the areas that we wanted to consistently, and then they've got a pretty strong batting lineup. They understand these conditions and the pitches and the angles of the fields very well. But yeah, look, we had to bowl in one area for long enough, and we didn't. And you look at the scoreboard, we got 340 eventually, and we still shot by 50. So the chase always felt a bit too steep, and we always knew that one or two wickets here and there was taking the run rate upwards to 12s and 13s eventually. So you had to keep hitting throughout the innings. Also because of the bowlers that they have in their lineup, you need to keep putting pressure on them, and then with the areas that they bowl, you're invariably going to be in positions where some chances will be created, and they definitely took those chances as well. Otherwise it would have been a much closer game.
Yeah, on a positive note, great to see Hardik Pandya back at the bowling crease.
Well, it was out of nowhere. I asked him how he's feeling, and he said I'm okay to bowl a couple of overs, and then he got into it, felt a bit better, and then bowled two more. So I think he gave away a bit of a bowling plan to bowl on this pitch. Eventually, a lot of the bowlers in our innings started bowling off cutters, but yeah, credit to them. They bowled much more consistent compared to us, and they used the dimensions of the field very well, which we unfortunately did not.
And on a personal front, nice to get yourself into a little bit of touch. You looked really, a typically classy innings, and it was always a threat while you were at the crease.
Well, we thought so as well. I mean, me and KL were talking exactly the same thing. If we stick around till 40, 41 overs, even 100 in the last 10 with 7 in hand and Hardik to come, it's game on, So
yeah.
That was the game plan. But as I said, catches win you games, and the two chances that they grabbed onto probably the defining moments. 90-odd partnership between me and Shreyas. If that was 130-140, then the game is closer. Even my catch, if KL and me stuck around, as I said, till the 40 or 41st over, then the game could have been different. We would have put them under a bit more pressure. But look, the wicket was beautiful to bat on. It was allowing batsmen to play proper cricketing shots, and eventually, as well as you can bat, you want to get your team across the line, and that's always the mindset.
All right, mate. Well, thanks for talking to us, and well played on a personal front. You'll be disappointed, but there'll be still plenty to play for, given the World Super Cup that's points up for grabs for qualifying for the World Cup in Canberra. We'll see you on Wednesday night.
Cheers, Giddy. Thank you.